In part 2, we are going to be solving the equation for the given variable. So these are solving one-step equations. If we take a look at number 1 says x plus 4 is equal to negative 15. So what we want to do is we want to undo the plus 4. So the opposite of adding 4 would be to subtract 4. So we're going to go ahead and subtract 4 on the left, which means we also have to subtract 4 on the right. And when we subtract 4 on the left and the right, 4 plus negative 4 is 0. So they're going to cancel out, leaving us with just x on that left-hand side. And then on the right-hand side, negative 15 minus 4 will give us negative 19. So our answer is x equals negative 19. Now in number 2 we have x minus 9 equal to 22. So because we're subtracting 9, to isolate the x, we have to do the opposite of that, which would be to add 9 to both sides. So we're going to go ahead and add 9 on the left. And whatever we do on the left, we also have to do on the right side. So we're going to add 9 on the right. And if we do that on the left-hand side, negative 9 and a positive 9, that makes 0, which means we're going to be left with just the x on that left-hand side, equal to, on the right-hand side, we have 22 plus 9, which would give us 31. In question number 3, we have negative 6 times x equal to 21. So now we're looking at multiplication. The opposite of multiplication is division. So if we want to isolate the x to get rid of the multiplication of negative 6, we want to divide by negative 6. So we're going to divide by negative 6 on the left, and we're going to divide by negative 6 on the right. Now dividing negative 6 by negative 6 gives us 1. And 1 times x is just x by itself. So now we can say that left-hand side is simplified to x. And then on the right-hand side, 21 divided by negative 6 will give us negative 3.5. And finally, number 4. Number 4, we have x divided by 4 equal to negative 15. Again, the opposite of division would be multiplication. So division and multiplication go together, or are opposites, and then addition and subtraction. So x divided by 4, the opposite of dividing by 4 would be to multiply by 4. So we're going to take 4 times the x over 4 equal to 4 times negative 15. So again, whatever we do to the left side, we have to also do to the right side. And what happens here is this 4 and this 4 will cancel out. 4 divided by 4 is 1, so it's that cross-canceling with the fractions. So if that happens, those both turn to a 1. And then 1 times x is just x, so that leaves us with just x on the left. And then on the right, we're taking 4 times a negative 15, and 4 times negative 15 is negative 60.